Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on Gmail, we click on settings. Then on this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.